In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix zoom level and display scaling issues in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams and start with the quickest fix first. With Teams active on your screen, press Ctrl+0 on Windows or Command+0 on Mac. That instantly resets the app zoom back to its default level, which is often all you need if Teams suddenly looks too large or too small. If the text still feels a bit off after that, you can fine-tune it using the keyboard. Press Ctrl+= to zoom in and make text and interface elements a little larger. On Mac, use the matching zoom in shortcut for Teams. If everything looks oversized and cramped, press Ctrl+- to zoom out and bring the display back down. Make small adjustments here and pause for a second after each one so you can judge what feels most comfortable on your eyes. If you prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts, Teams has built-in zoom controls in the menu as well. Go to the top right corner of the Teams window and click the three dots. In that drop-down, look for the zoom controls. Click the plus icon to make everything larger, or click the minus icon to make everything smaller. Next to the plus icon, you will also see a rectangular reset icon. Click that to return the zoom to 100%, which is the standard default view. This is especially useful if the zoom was changed earlier and you are not sure by how much. If Teams still does not look right, the issue may be coming from Windows display scaling rather than the Teams app itself. Minimize Teams and go to your desktop. Right-click on an empty area of the desktop, then choose Display Settings. When that page opens, scroll down until you see Scale and Layout. Find the Scale drop-down and open it. Now select the percentage marked as recommended. That recommended setting is usually the best match for your screen resolution and helps apps like Teams display properly without looking blurry, oversized, or unusually tiny. After changing the scale, close Settings, then reopen Microsoft Teams if needed so the app can refresh and apply the display change correctly. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. As a final tip, if you use more than one monitor, Teams can sometimes look different depending on which screen it is opened on, especially if those displays use different scaling settings. In that case, moving Teams to your main monitor and reopening it can help confirm whether the issue is coming from the app's zoom or your system display settings. Once your zoom is reset and your display scale is set to the recommended level, Teams should look normal again and be much easier to use.